Welcome back, everybody, to another day, another vlog with Thomas, and today I've got Jonas. We are going to be working on moving the chickens to the pasture today. So we're going to take them out of their winter hoop house and put them in their portable pasture pen. Okay, so we are here at the chicken coop. As you can see, some chickens did get out, which is unfortunate. It makes it difficult for catching. But first we're going to take 2 loads. We're going to take, the first load is going to be all of the feeders, the water, and the nest boxes. We'll put them in a mater, take them over, set that up, and we're going to come catch all the chickens, put them in crates, and take them out, because I think that's going to be the easiest way. It's just Jonas and I, right, Joe? So, yeah, we'll have to probably take 2 crates. Jonas is pointing out they're not all going to fit in one. So 2 crates, 1 load. He thinks we can do it 1 load. Probably 2 loads. Jonas thinks we can do it 1. We're going to grab all the birds, grab the stuff, get it out there, and yeah, let's go. So this is our winter setup. It's a greenhouse, hoop house sort of thing we built last fall. First year doing them in here, really like it. One thing I think we could do better is more deep bedding, more wood chips. We did a lot of hay on the ground, which kind of worked, but I like more wood chips to make it a little more composting. And this is our winter stand sort of thing we made. Ideally, we'd be able to move this more than we did, so the manure is, spreading around. But it worked pretty nicely. Really liked it. If you want to see a little bit more about this, we have a video hoop house tour. So yeah, just gotta grab our water and the rest of our stuff and go set it up on the portable pen. So apparently using mater to haul the stuff over wasn't a great choice because I got it stuck. Got the lawn tractor hooked up. Hopefully I can just pull it up to in between the barns where there's some gravel and get it unstuck. Because if not, then we'll get in a wagon or walking all this out there. And that doesn't sound like that much fun. I'm going to try and pull it out myself without having to, because nobody else is home. It's just me and Jonas. Well, hopefully I can just pull it without needing a second person to drive mater, because I don't have somebody but Jonas. I mean, I guess he could do it, but I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, the one's spinning. Like Jonas said, the one is spinning. That means the tractor, it's not a very big tractor. I have a bigger tractor. I probably could use the bigger tractor. But I just think we could use this. I think the bigger tractor is heavier and it might sink more. We're just going to wait until I can get help, because I think if somebody is in mater driving it and these tires are spinning and those tires are spinning, I think we can get out. And so this gets me to the question, you might be wondering, like, why are you doing it when it's this muddy, when it's this early? Like, it's pretty early in the spring. Why are you moving your chickens outside? Well, first off, why we put our chickens on pasture is because I believe all my animals, farm animals, need to not only be, I'm raising them to eat and them working or eat eggs in this hen, these are laying hens, but they also need to be working for me as much as possible. So these laying hens are really good at fertilizing pasture. So we're going to get them out in the grass, and they're going to start fertilizing as early as possible, and we're going to keep moving them in our mobile pen, which I'll show you in a minute. But also, second reason I'm moving them out is this here greenhouse is where we're going to plant a bunch of stuff this year. And it's the first year we don't have beds. We've never done beds. We don't know exactly how we're going to do it. So we like to get the chickens out as soon as possible. It's starting to warm up, and in that greenhouse is like, especially on the sunny days, gets really warm. We could almost have plants in there already. So we'd like to get the chickens out so we can plant in the greenhouse. So yeah, those are the main two reasons. Get them on pasture, start fertilizing, and we like to get in the greenhouse. Now, I've talked too long, talked too much, so I'm going to have to carry all this stuff with Jonas, so better just get on it. Thank you, Jonas. Just want to make sure I say it. Thank you so much for helping. So we're here in the pasture with the mobile chicken pen and the electric Premier One electric net. Really, poultry net. Really like this stuff. We've got our electric line run to power this thing. Keeps chickens in, keeps other animals, predators out. So I went ahead, and since it is a little bit earlier, the most of our wind comes from this direction, and so I set up these boards, 2 of them to help block the wind, so when they jump up inside of this to roost at night, they'll have a little bit of protection, or if they need to, they'll jump up right up in there and get behind those for a little protection. I know it'll be fine. Like, I know it's a little cold, but I know they'll be fine because they're trying to escape and get out to eat the fresh grass. So I thought I'd take a minute here and just show you a little bit of our nest box design that we've been liking pretty well. It's worked pretty well. So it's just, as you've seen, kind of like this bottom 2x4 frame. It's got like a 1x board here that sticks up a little bit, and it holds 2 just like milk crates. Sit sideways. We put a little hay in them to help keep the eggs clean, and it works pretty good for the most part. You just have to, they'll kick out the hay, so you have to continually put hay in it. There's more expensive kinds and stuff you can buy that roll out, and those work really nicely, but these are super cheap and easy. They've worked so far so good. So like the design. If you want like more about the design, you're interested, I might make a whole video on it. Just go ahead and comment that, and yeah. Okay, Jonas, so should be set. We got one nest box. Should we put the water in the other nest box here? Planning. We gotta figure out where we put everything last year, how we're gonna do it this year. I know we put stuff on the other side, but I didn't like having. Okay, here, you tell us.
If we put that nest box where it is, and we get the other one, put it there, then we'll tend to go in the other one, in this one more, because we had some problems in there. And then put the water, just scoop it down, and just have them all in a row.
Awesome. Awesome possum. Let's do that. Let's do the little man's idea. ready for chickens. Whew, I feel like this video's been just a lot of time lapse and jump cut shots and all kinds of boring stuff. So on to a little bit more fun stuff. Catch some chickens and put them in the net and watch them go crazy on this grass. Actually, I don't know, do chickens go crazy? Okay,
Yeah.
let's go do it. Got the chickens all in crates, loaded up. Wow, it's bright. You know what? This is where it's helpful to have somebody with you who's even like Jonas, who is 6 years old, but he's like, hey, why don't you just get the green trailer and use the tractor? Much easier than trying to carry the cages by hand because they're very heavy. Also, Ruben came back, so he's helping us, which is wonderful. And yeah, he's gonna drive it out there, and we're gonna let the chickens free. I'm taking a moment here to interrupt this video to tell you guys about somebody who has inspired me to actually start filmmaking and sharing some of my knowledge. He's also taught me a lot of things that I actually know, and that is Justin Rhodes and his Abundance Plus community. Abundance Plus is an app you can get on your phone, and an online community of people from all across America and that have gathered together and make a whole bunch of awesome content, full information about sustainable living and small farm life. I have been a member of Abundance Plus for a little over a year now, and I have the opportunity to share with you guys some of the great content. So in the description there's a link to Abundance Plus. If you click on that link, it'll take you and give you a whole bunch of details about what Abundance Plus is all about and all the subscription stuff like that. If you go ahead and click on the link and subscribe at any capacity, not only are you supporting Justin Rhodes and everybody else who is a part of Abundance Plus, but you will be supporting our channel and help making it easier for us to be able to produce more awesome videos like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little teaser. There is a chance that we will be getting some content on Abundance Plus that is exclusive to Abundance Plus. So if you want to see more content like the videos we make and just learn a bunch of learning opportunities, some of the people that are on there is Sow the Land, and there's some Joel Salatin sort of things, Wilder Still. There's all kinds of things. That's just a couple I can think of off the top of my head. And yeah, so go ahead, check that out if you're interested in some new learning opportunities. Thank you so much for supporting me and my family through this channel. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed just watching us, me work with Jonas, and yeah, get the chickens out in the pasture so we can get in the greenhouse, get some beds made, and get them working on fertilizing our pasture and making the green grass grow. So yeah, signing out. See ya in the next video.